To see how I got these beautiful heatless curls, just keep watching. Friends, welcome to Naturally Corporate. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I am doing a roller set today and I'm using sponge rollers. These are my favorite. I just like the curl that they give me. I love loose flowy curls, soft loose flowy curls, and sponge rollers give me that. Now the size I'm using are the jumbo, so they are pretty big. And notice that they have the silk, or what is this, the satin liner, silky satin. Yeah, silky satin liner. And I like to get these because they prevent the foam or the sponge from drying out my hair. Now, I got these from my local beauty supply store. If you can't find these with the silky satin liner or the wrap, you can still get these, but just make sure you use an end wrap. If you don't know what an end wrap is, I know you've seen them. They are the little white sheets of tissue paper, like rectangular sheets of tissue paper that your stylist may use if you're getting a perm rod set or a roller set with the magnetic rollers. I'm sure you've seen them. You can get them at the beauty supply store. You get like 1,000 sheets for like $3 or $4, and they seem to last forever. Now, my hair is flat ironed, and my flat iron is about going on 2 weeks old, so it's holding up really well, and it's still straight. It's not bone straight, like at the roots or anything, but it's holding up so nicely, and I'm just not ready to let it go yet. I just want to stretch the style a little bit longer if I can, and I'm really impressed because I've gotten caught in the rain, well, not like a heavy rain, but mist, at least about 3 times, and this is what my hair is looking like. So I think I did a pretty good job with my flat iron. I was debating whether I wanted to use any type of styler with this roller set. I'm not going to. I even thought about using a leave-in. I'm not going to use a leave-in because my hair is already soft. And I'm just afraid if I do use a leave-in, like a cream leave-in, it might weigh my hair down a little bit. And I don't want that. I do want the curls to be light and fluffy. That's what I'm hoping for. Normally I use mousse on my sponge roller sets, but I don't even want any type of hold. I just want the soft curls, and I know the mousse, whatever mousse I use, will give me a little bit of hold, but you know, this isn't like on fresh hair, so I'm not trying to get the roller set to last a week. On a soft, dry roller set with my sponge rollers, I'll get about 2 days before I have to either re-roll it again or, you know, shampoo it or do something else. So I'm trying to decide, how do I want to style my hair? I normally wear a part, so we're going to roll in a part. All right, y'all, it's the next day and I am taking my sponge rollers out. I will say, make sure you have enough time to let your sponge rollers set. At least, you know, a good 6-7 hours. Overnight is best. All right, and these are just the kind of curls I was hoping for. They are very soft. Yeah. I'm just gonna take these out and see what they're looking like. And I think I mentioned, I won't necessarily recommend dry rolling for, or I should say dry rolling with no product for everyone. You have to know your hair. And my hair was still moisturized from the products I used from the flat iron. So that's the only reason why I didn't add anything. But I do typically use a mousse to give me a little bit of hold. But that is not what I was going for this time. Not a hold. Yep, these are just the curls I was looking for. All right, so I'm just gonna finger comb because my hair is really soft and I don't know if I'm ready to comb yet. If I don't get the look that I want, then I'll use a comb. But otherwise, just use my fingers. All right, there you have it. This is a look that I'm so satisfied with. This is me. I just wish my hair were a little bit longer and you couldn't tell me nothing, but I have, look at the curls. I want to make sure you can see them up close. This is ideal for me. Love it, love it, love it. So if you have never tried sponge rollers before, give them a try. You know, once upon a time, that's what most of us used to achieve our curls. And they're still around and they're just kind of revamped. Now they've got the satin lining on them. So give sponge rollers a try and let me know what you think. But yeah, I'm really happy with my style. And I'm good for the next, at least for the next day or two, maybe. But these curls are so soft, there's no hold. And you know what? I might even be able to, because I'm really stretching my flat iron hair. This is another sneaky little way that you can stretch your flat iron hair. So I might even be able to wrap this and get my flat ironed look again. Heatless curls, heatless curls. So give your sponge rollers a try. I'm happy. Until next time, friends, thanks for watching and keep it naturally corporate.